guys, we did a truth or dare yesterday, and we did get one called the 2-minute challenge. The comment. I don't remember what the other one was. All I saw was lollipop. So, yeah.
And now Daddy's birthday's on the first day of school.
Cool. We got our cheer stuff. Like, Jada's is over there. This is, it's red with cheer. I got it. It's a school colors. Well, it don't actually, but technically, yes, it does. I'm not telling you what school. And the shoes don't even fit. So I have to get new shoes. Jada has to get a size bigger than normally wears, and I have to do. I have to get 5. And Jada has to get 2.5. So I'm gonna show you what's out in. Okay, all it says is cheer on it. We're gonna have some like stickers or something. And I took this stuff out. I don't have anything in my school on there yet. It looks orange on camera. Weird. Jada's complaining about something. And also we got these shorts for under the cheer thing. Yep. We have to reorder the shoes. So yeah, and also got hit in the head by the phone. Hurt. And now I gotta put this back in here. Also, I'm gonna show you some pics of. I'm gonna show you the shoes. Maybe show you the shoes. So let me not show you the shoes. But they're just white and they some them. Also, I'm in pink. So I'm talking like this, and I don't know why. I like to film the camera. Also, make sure. What?
You know how I don't like the real potato, like ones that we make potato ones?
Potato fries?
Yeah.
Now,
it's the box ones. That's when we get the box ones. Yay.
What box ones?
You know the mashed potatoes that we like, in a box?
Oh, mashed potatoes?
Yeah.
I don't like them.
You don't like those?
Maybe. They're sure they don't taste the same.
They're good. The mashed potatoes.
They have too much garlic now. I just had to argue with her about what I like. And and if there's something you guys didn't see. Yeah. It says garlic mashed potatoes. They have been having too much garlic. They don't taste the same. After having real mashed potatoes for a while, oh gosh. Don't taste the same. I'm on the camera in this thingy. Hold on. Film it. Moving to that. Oh, there's Kitty. No, don't walk away. No. Where's the thing? You gotta zoom in there. I gotta zoom in there. No, I missed it. Oh, let's catch him. We're gonna film it for 4 minutes. Oh my God. See if we can catch him. Come here, Kitty! I hear him. There he is. Desmond's been at me. It's a zoom thing.
Oh, you want to zoom? The zoom thing?
Whoa, too close. All my done with this real quick. Hold on, guys. Sorry for difficulties.
I'm having really bad difficulties.
It won't let me zoom
And
out.
the cat is trying to eat something. What are you eating? Look at the cat. He's chewing on that. He's chewing.
Okay, the zoom thing will not show up at all. I cannot zoom out. No. Nah. No. No. Come on, zoom out. Okay, guys, I just maybe runs it way too close to my face, but I cannot get it to zoom out. So yeah, I guess we'll just watch it back a little bit. Also, I think one of the I'm trying to give a shout. I have to remember the name. Jack. I don't know. I've done my face. I think one of them was Elsa, and I'm gonna give a shout out to like number 6. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, number 6 and okay, I don't remember the other one. I just have to cook it. I have to cook it with and it's weight. I mean, you guys can't even see me. Thanks, mouth. I'm trying to look in the mirror and film. There we go. Hold on, I'm gonna work on this again. More difficulties. Come on, go up. Okay, it will not work at all. So I don't know what to do now. So I may have to end the video here because it won't zoom out. I bet you guys are tired of just like looking in the mirror and stuff. So yeah, got my hand. Yeah, guys, see you. Bye. See you tomorrow. I'll see if Jada wants to talk. Maybe, I don't know. Jada, I'm ending the video. I'm ending the video. It won't zoom out.
How would it not zoom out? What is that?
It will not zoom out. Oh, it's working when she does it.
And I zoomed out perfectly. All you have to do is do this.
It's not working for me.
So do this.
Oh, okay. Okay, Jada fixed it.
Yeah, you can't do this. You have to do this.
Yeah, but usually I do that.
See?
Get it.
So we're not into the video. Yay!
Maybe.
Or we could just do musically so it's not that bad.
Yeah, we may do musically tonight. Oh, we were supposed to do a haunted house today. Okay, we have to end the video now so we can get ready for a haunted house. And also have to film another thing. I have to film a lot today. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Also, I forgot to tell you, there was a new intro video at the... Yeah. Oh, gosh. Bye, guys. See you later.